Hey there, fellow inspectors. Ever notice how potential clients ask the same questions over and over? Well, what if I told you those questions could become your secret weapon for attracting more leads? When you answer questions publicly on your Google business profile, you're not just helping one client, you're helping hundreds of future clients who have the same concerns. Plus, every issue you post becomes searchable content that boosts your local SEO rankings. I think of it as free marketing that works 24/7. But the best part, when leads read your detailed professional answers, they're pre-qualifying themselves. By the time they call you, they already know you're the expert they want to work with. It's like having a sales conversation before you even pick up the phone. Start by answering just one question per week on your GBP. You'll be amazed at how quickly it builds up. And speaking of building things up, join me next time when I reveal the 3-second rule for homepage headers that'll stop your website visitors in their tracks.